Picture this. You're in your kitchen, ready to whip up a nutritious meal. You grab fresh carrots, spinach, and bell peppers, eager to toss them into a sizzling pan. But hold on, what if I told you that some of these foods actually lose their nutritional edge when cooked? That's right. Sometimes the key to unlocking their full health benefits is simply not cooking them at all. According to a fascinating piece from the Times of India, certain foods retain more nutrients when eaten raw. Here's a closer look. Carrots. Ever notice that rabbits never cook their food? Turns out they're onto something. Raw carrots contain higher levels of polyphenols and vitamin C compared to their cooked counterparts. Spinach. While Popeye made spinach famous, he might have missed a trick. Eating it raw preserves more folate and vitamin C, making it even more nutritious. Broccoli, steaming and boiling can deplete its nutrients, but eating broccoli raw helps retain sulforaphane, a powerful compound linked to cancer prevention. Bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are packed with vitamin C, but heat diminishes their potency. Keeping them crunchy means keeping their nutrients intact. Garlic. Love garlic for its health benefits? Cooking can reduce its allicin content, the very compound that fights bacteria and inflammation. If you can handle the punch, raw is the way to go. Tomatoes. Here's an exception. While cooking increases their lycopene levels, great for heart health, raw tomatoes retain more vitamin C. It all depends on what you're after. Nuts. Roasting brings out flavor but can also reduce heat-sensitive nutrients. If you want the full nutritional package, opt for raw nuts instead. So, what's the takeaway? Sometimes the best cooking technique is no cooking at all. Before you fire up the stove, ask yourself, should I just leave this raw? Your body just might thank you for it.